In today's video, we're going to focus on a practical way to manage array operations using a switch case in C++. Arrays are super helpful for handling data, and the switch case is a fantastic tool to make your code flexible and interactive. I'll walk you through setting up an array and then using a switch case to choose different operations, like displaying elements or updating values, all based on user input. By the end, you'll see just how efficient and easy it is to work with arrays this way. Let's dive into the code. An array is a collection of similar elements. In this experiment, the array can be represented as single-dimensional elements. Algorithm dash. Step 1 start. Algorithm dash. Step 1 start. Step 2 read n value. Step 3 read array of n integer elements. Step 4 print array of n integer elements. Step 5 insert an element at given valid position in an array. Step 6 delete an element at given valid position from an array. Step 7 stop. Let's break down the code step by step. 1. Includes the iostream header for input-output operations. 2. Using namespace. Brings the std namespace into scope to avoid writing std before standard library functions. 3. Function definitions. A. Creates array. Prompts the user to enter the size of the array. If size exceeds 100, it's limited to 100. Reads the specified number of elements from the user and stores them in the array. B. Display array. Checks if the array is empty. If not empty, prints the elements of the array. C. Inserts element. Checks if the insertion position is valid and if the array is not full. Shifts elements to the right to make space for the new element. Inserts the new element at the specified position. Increments the array size. D. Deletes element. Checks if the deletion position is valid. Shifts elements to the left to fill the gap created by the deletion. Decrements the array size. E. Linear search. Searches for the specified element in the array using a linear search algorithm. Returns the index of the element if found, otherwise returns -1. 4. Main function. Declares an array of size 100 and an integer n to store the current size of the array. Initializes a do-while loop to repeatedly prompt the user for input and perform the selected operation until the user chooses to exit. Within the loop. Displays a menu of options. Reads the user's choice. Uses a switch statement to execute the corresponding function based on the user's choice. Each case handles the specific operation, creating, displaying, inserting, deleting, or searching elements in the array. Overall, this code provides a flexible framework for managing an integer array, allowing users to create, display, modify, and search elements within the array.